Hello YouTube. Today is what is today? Today is December the 13th, 2012, and it is 11:23 p.m. I got a haircut. See, this is like all gone. Yeah, undercuts. I'm wearing glasses that aren't prescription. I just like wearing them because I'm trying to get used to them for when I finally cosplay Jake and John. Yeah. Um A little bit has happened this week, I guess. Not a whole lot. Um, I got a haircut. That's literally well, okay, not this week, but the past few days. That's all. Everyone's seeing The Hobbit right now, and that's kind of upsetting, I suppose, because I really want to see The Hobbit. My mom wouldn't let me go see it tonight, so I have to wait until tomorrow. But yeah, yeah, I'm seeing The Hobbit tomorrow, so yay. Um, yeah. That's about it, I believe. I don't know. But, let's see. I was gonna talk about something, but I don't remember what it was. Um, oh, I hate chemistry. That's what that is. I really fucking hate chemistry. I hate, I really, really hate my teacher, Miss Parker. It's pretty, just, just hate her. She's horrible. Toilet just flushed. Yeah, my room has to be next to the bathroom. I was talking kind of loud. I think he's gone. Anyway, I hate I can't take that so seriously now. I hate my chemistry teacher, Miss Parker. She's a huge massive bitch. Uh, well, I don't really feel like anything's okay right now. Because my uncle probably heard me. Um, yeah. I guess we'll just talk about how much I love this haircut, because I really fucking love this haircut. Oh my god. Like, just like all around, like you're just, it's like it's side profile. It's like, oh, hair. No hair. But yeah, like, I just love it so much because I actually kind of look like a dude. Kinda, sorta. No, not like a chick still. Kind of. Today, like, I went to McAllister's to go pick up some food, for me and my uncle, and, of course, I just can't get over the fact that people think I'm a chick. I'm like, it's just ass. Like, I really want to correct them, but at the same time, I don't. Because it's like, ugh, it'd be kind of awkward. But I mean, it's like I'm a dude, so it's like, ugh. But yeah, oh, I should admit I am on drugs right now. So. But yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, yeah, that's all. That's it. That's it.